Hello YouTube, here I am again, trying to trick shot on my friend. Or not, yeah, we are trick shotting on each other. Ah shit. Now try. This is my first one. Let's see when the next comes. Ah, he's trick shotting on me now. I met him online. And when I miss, I'm so mad. So we are tricking and missing all that shit. I don't hope I failed here, cause then I don't hope you all come alive or something. Let's see what the next comes. Oh, we need to wait a couple seconds. I will stop it and put it on when I hit him. And I'm back again. We just quick scoping, but sometimes we trick. Oh shit. I'm shaming me now, lol. But I'm glad I missed it. Oh, look. That's the way. I'm happy I missed. And I'm back again at the same map. Final kill cam, we want to quit. Look. The silent shot worked on this. Look, the fucking kill cam. It fucking failed here. But now we go to dome. Kill confirmed. Team tactical. Feed kills. Hello, I'm back. I got to tell you people, this is the best feed kill I ever had. Okay, sorry for that one, lol. Fucking hit marker. I got to say, I hate hit markers so much. Hit marker again. I'm being tired of them. Again that fucking hit marker. And a couple seconds later, again feed kill. Playing to some Dutch people. I don't know them, but I can understand them. I'm Dutch too. I come from the Netherlands too. Okay, so this was it. I hope you enjoyed. Please, I need some subs too, but and people that make intro out. Peace.